Welcome to our crash course in personal finance for beginners. Today, we're diving into the world of managing your money, setting financial goals, and making smart decisions for a secure future. Personal finance is all about how you handle your money, from budgeting and saving to investing and planning for retirement. It's a crucial aspect of our lives that can have a significant impact on our overall well-being and future financial stability. In this crash course, we'll cover the basics of personal finance, including creating a budget, understanding the importance of saving, and exploring different investment options. We'll also discuss the concept of financial goals and how to set realistic and achievable targets for yourself. By the end of this video, you can expect to have a better understanding of how to take control of your finances, make informed decisions about your money, and work towards building a strong financial foundation. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or plan for your retirement, the principles we'll discuss can be applied to various financial goals. It's never too late to start taking control of your financial future. And with the right knowledge and tools, you can set yourself up for success. Let's get started. Imagine a time when personal finance was a topic reserved for the elite few, shrouded in mystery and complexity. It wasn't until the late 20th century that the concept of financial literacy and education for the masses began to gain traction. As the world became more interconnected and the economy more volatile, the need for individuals to understand and manage their finances became increasingly apparent. Today, personal finance is a crucial skill that everyone should possess, regardless of their background or income level. However, many people face challenges when it comes to navigating the world of money management. From lack of basic financial knowledge to overwhelming debt and limited access to resources, the obstacles can seem insurmountable. One of the biggest challenges beginners face is simply not knowing where to start. The world of personal finance can be intimidating, with its jargon and complex concepts. Without a solid foundation of financial literacy, individuals may struggle to make informed decisions about their money. Another common barrier is the prevalence of debt. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or medical bills, debt can weigh heavily on a person's financial well-being and limit their ability to save and invest for the future. Despite these challenges, there are also opportunities for growth and empowerment when it comes to personal finance. By educating themselves and taking control of their financial situation, individuals can set themselves up for a more secure and prosperous future. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can learn to budget effectively, save for their goals, and make smart investment decisions. In our crash course on personal finance for beginners, we aim to break down these barriers and empower you to take control of your financial future. Let's embark on this journey together and build a solid foundation for financial success. The 4 primary principles. 1. Budgeting basics. Creating a budget is the foundation of good financial management. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Allocate funds for essentials like rent, groceries, and bills, as well as for savings and discretionary spending. For example, setting a monthly budget for dining out can help you control your spending and prioritize your financial goals. 2. Importance of saving. Saving money is essential for building financial security and achieving your goals. Aim to save a portion of your income each month, whether it's for emergencies, future purchases, or retirement. Consider setting up automatic transfers to a savings account to make saving effortless. For instance, saving a small amount each week can add up over time and provide a financial safety net. 3. Debt management. Managing debt is crucial for maintaining financial health. Identify all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and outstanding balances. Create a plan to pay off high-interest debts first, while making minimum payments on others. Utilize strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate your debt repayment. For example, paying off a credit card with the highest interest rate can save you money in the long run. 4. Investing basics. Investing is a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. Understand the different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Start with low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for diversification and long-term growth. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals when choosing where to invest. For instance, investing in a retirement account like a 401k can help you build wealth for the future while taking advantage of tax benefits. By mastering these key points in personal finance, you can take control of your financial future, make informed decisions, and work towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, and every step you take towards improving your financial knowledge and habits brings you closer to financial freedom. Let's delve deeper into the world of personal finance for beginners and explore different perspectives on how to approach this crucial topic. When it comes to saving, there are varying opinions on the best strategies. Some advocate for saving as much as possible, even if it means sacrificing immediate wants, while others emphasize the importance of enjoying the present and finding a middle ground between saving and spending. Debt management is another area where perspectives can differ. While some experts recommend aggressively paying off all debts to achieve financial freedom, others suggest prioritizing high-interest debts while maintaining a manageable level of debt for investments or other opportunities. Investing can be a daunting prospect for beginners, with conflicting advice on where to put your money for the best returns. Some advocate for a hands-on approach, actively managing your investments and seeking out high-growth opportunities, while others prefer a more passive strategy, focusing on long-term, diversified investments. As we explore these different aspects of personal finance, it's important to consider your own values, goals, and risk tolerance. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to managing your finances, and finding a strategy that aligns with your unique circumstances is key to long-term financial success. Mastering personal finance as a beginner is a journey that requires dedication, knowledge, and a willingness to take control of your financial future. By following the key points discussed in this crash course, you can set yourself up for success and build a strong foundation for financial well-being. Remember, budgeting is the cornerstone of effective money management. By tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and prioritizing your spending, you can gain control over your finances and work towards achieving your dreams. Saving is not just about setting money aside. It's about creating a safety net for emergencies, funding your future goals, and securing your financial stability. Start small and watch your savings grow over time. Debt management is a crucial aspect of personal finance. By understanding your debts, creating a repayment plan, and prioritizing high-interest debts, you can free yourself from financial burdens and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Investing may seem daunting, but it's a powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. Consider your risk tolerance, investment goals, and seek out opportunities for long-term growth and diversification. I encourage you to take action today. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on personal finance, like this video, share it with others who may benefit, and continue your journey towards financial literacy and empowerment. Remember, the knowledge you gain today can transform your financial future tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on our next video.